Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to color glowing fireworks using only alcohol markers and colored pencils. If you've ever run out of your favorite supplies or felt like you couldn't finish a page because you don't have fancy tools, this video is for you. Here's the step-by-step process. Decide where your fireworks will live and color that area yellow. I accidentally grabbed my bright yellow instead of the dim one, but we're rolling with it. Take the Copic V20 and add it to the outer edges of your yellow. This helps the glow look more natural. Since yellow and violet are complementary colors, the yellow is going to look much brighter against the blue-violet background. Violet and yellow are also perfect together for underpainting. I did run out of my usual underpainting pens, so I'm using Copic V20 and B60. Even though I'm coloring on Amazon book paper, these Copic brushes are so soft and satisfying. It definitely makes me want to invest in more Copic refills in the future. But for now, we're making the most of what we have. Layer in B60 to start creating that night sky. Keep a light hand so we can add colored pencils later. For the sky, I'm using light violet, light blue, blue-gray, and cool gray. Using that same yellow, draw lines radiating from the center to create the firework shape. Add V20 between the yellow lines. This makes the yellow stand out. Looking at it now, I feel I should have been bolder and colored around the yellow lines. Color the rest of the night sky, but keep it a little lighter around the fireworks to mimic the way they light up the air. I'm actually challenging myself today. No acrylic markers and no white gel pens. I love the white gel pen, but sometimes it makes my coloring page look weird, so I'm skipping that today. And I don't have acrylic pens for this nor the money to buy them, so I will do my best to use what I have right now. Even though I'm coloring on Amazon book paper, these Copic brushes are so soft and satisfying. It definitely makes me want to invest in more Copic refills in the future. But for now, we're making the most of what we have. Once the ink is dry, grab your indigo blue and violet colored pencils. Layer these over the sky to make it dark and moody. I'm planning to experiment a lot more with this alcohol marker and colored pencil combo in the future, and I'd love to have you along for that journey. If you enjoyed this budget-friendly glow up, please subscribe and join our little coloring community. Use your violet pencil to add sharp lines between the yellow sparks. This makes the yellow stand out. amazing what you can achieve with just a little color theory and some patience. Here's the final Fireworks night sky. I finished the rest of the page using these same pens and some cool grays for shadows. It just goes to show you don't need the most expensive set of 200 markers to get a beautiful result. I am honestly so happy with how this turned out. Looking at it now, it really feels like I'm looking into a 3D light box. Does it look like a light box to you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.